Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find the build number, which is, as you can see, on the third position, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. We've got the information, so right now we can go back to the general settings and enter system and updates. Here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And as you can see, we've got some options, some advanced options, which we can customize. So for example, we can disable USB audio routing. Here we've got some options which are connected with the animations, with the visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking, because we've got also the USB and the Wi-Fi, etc, etc. So quite a lot of options. And if you want to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it and it will work. Of course, sometimes you've got the options without the switcher, so no worries, just tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off at the very top of the list. Just tap on this switcher. And as you can see, the developer options will disappear from this list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.